Want to know how to uninstall the Google One app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Google One application or the Play Store itself. So if you're on your Android, it might not be directly possible to uninstall Google One. But if you're on Apple, you can just simply head towards your Play Store and then uninstall it. So you can just simply open up your Google tab, and here you should be seeing Google One. You can just simply head towards its app info if you're on Android specifically. And now instead of uninstalling it directly, you can just simply select uninstall updates as it comes in by default. So you can just simply select that and then select uninstall. Now its updates would be uninstalled and now it won't be opened, and before opening it you need to just simply download it actually from the Play Store, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you directly uninstall Google One on your Android, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.